Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to find parameter of a square. Let's get started. In this problem, we have only area of this square. It is 4225 meter square. We all know that a square has four sides of equal length and its area is a square of side length. Suppose the every side length of a square is a meter, then area of a square will be a square. We have given the value of a square in the question. So a square it is 4225. When a square move opposite side, then it's change into root. So a equal under root 4225. Now listen, do you know how to find root of any 4-digit number? Let's say we start by pairing the digit of 4225 from right to left. Now the number 4225 is grouped as 42 and 25. Next, we find the largest number whose square is equal or little less to 42. 6 is that number which square is very close to 42. 6 into 6 it is 36. So 42 minus 36 equals 6. Now look here. We copy same number here and add both number. It's 12. Bring down 25, making the new number 625. Now find a number x such that 120 plus x into x equal or less than 625. 5 is that number which fits perfectly. 125 into 5 it is 625. 625 minus 625 it is 0. So we have no remainder. The square root of 4225 is 65. So A is 65 meter. It means each side of the square measures 65 meter. Now we can find parameter of a square very easily. We all know that the parameter of a square is the total length of all four sides. So parameter of a square is 4a. Now we will put the value of a in this equation. Then p is 4 into 65. Finally we got the value of parameter p equal to 60 meter. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more math tutorial and tips. Leave a comment if you have any question or suggestion for future video.